Today I'm going to show a new feature that we have available inside of Automate for night guards. You can see here that I am selected under night guards. Over here on the right hand side, we now have the ability to design lower night guards with Automate. So I'm just going to make sure that this is toggled onto lower. I'm going to have my settings here for minimum thickness, retention, crevice blockout, and offset according to how your material and manufacturing standards are. And then as always, you'll go through and select your turnaround time. For this demonstration, I'm just going to do 10 minutes here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my case onto the platform. We'll give it some time to upload to review the screenshots. All right, now that this case is ready for review, we're going to go ahead and click through the screenshot images. You can see here that Automate designed a lower night guard based on the material standards and thicknesses that were ordered here. So we can scroll through here, see the nice even occlusal contact in the posterior. And then from here, we can go ahead and accept and download the cam.